Hi campers, you are watching Dot Base Camp. Today I am making this video because one of my friends, Tita Silva Castro, wants to see the present look of some of my adeniums, and today I am going to show you the present look of some of my adeniums. And first I want to show you the project of radial roots. You see, this is Adenium ovesum, and this is a radial root bonsai project. This is a bonsai, Adenium bonsai plant, and you see radial roots have already grown, and I have potted this plant in a very shallow pot, shallow but wide pot, because I want the horizontal growth of the radial roots. And you see the roots are horizontally growth because you cannot go deep. And this is the fast turning pot, that is radial root growing pot. So this is a very shallow pot, and the main function of this pot is to grow radial roots. And you also see this is a project of radial root, and this is also in the second turning pot. And in the next spring I will repot this plant in a pot like this, a 4-inch deep pot. It's a 4-inch deep pot but wide pot, wide but shallow pot. I tied the plant to make it stand firmly in the potting medium so that it can set quickly in the new potting medium. And this is the second pot. This is the second pot to train radial roots. And the main function of this second pot is to fatten the radial roots and to train the radial roots to position it. This is also a radial root project, and you see weeds have already grown. Weeds are very natural during rain or after rain, and monsoon is just over. And you know friends, this is also a disadvantage of the soil based medium, that there is chances of growing weeds. This is also a second turning pot, and I repotted this plant in the second turning pot in last spring, and I will also repot this plant in a larger pot in the next spring. This is also Adenium ovesum, and this is a radial root Adenium bonsai project. You see, I have also trimmed the branches, and almost every trim multiplies the number of branches. This is another radial root Adenium bonsai, and this is the ovesum variety. The plant has already grown flowers, and I trimmed the branches in last summer. I will also repot this plant in next spring. And this is my third radial root bonsai training pot. This is another Adenium ovesum variety of radial roots, and you see the plant has already grown flowers, and you see these are the radial roots, and this is the fourth training pot. This is the fourth pot, and the importance of this pot is to position the roots. You see the roots is fatten up, and I have repotted this plant in this pot to position the roots, and in next spring I will repot this plant in the final pot. and this is the radial root bonsai project, and this is the final pot. You see, this is a big pot. Friends, if you want to see some interesting projects on radial roots, you may go to the description below this video and find the links of concerning projects. This is also a bonsai project of radial roots, and this is Thai Soko variety, that is Thai Soko Taram. This is Thai Soko variety, and you see fantastic radial roots have already grown, and this is also my final pot. You see all the radial roots have already grown massive. I have already shown you some Obesam varieties. Now I would like to show you some Arabican variety. You see, this is an Arabican variety, Arabican rosy flowers. Buds have already grown, and here the plant has bloomed flowers. You see, this is a rosy Arabican variety. This is also an Arabican variety of pure red. See, this is an Arabican variety with pure white flowers. You see, this is pure gleaming white flowers, and lots of buds have already grown from the branch. You see, every branch has grown lots of buds. This is an Arabican variety. This is also an Arabican variety, and this plant was propagated from cuttings, so it has no massive codex like the seed grown plants. This plant was also propagated from cuttings, and these are all Arabican variety with rosy red flowers. And as the plants was propagated from cuttings, it has no codex. You see, very thin codex, because actually this is the branch of another plant. This is the branch of another plant, and these are the radial roots. The roots are also massive, but it has no codex in the sense of the term codex. You see, this is my oldest Adenium obesum plant, and this plant is in the final pot. This has grown a massive codex, and this is Adenium obesum variety, and this is also an Adenium obesum, and as the plant was propagated from seeds, you see it has grown a very massive codex. You see, the codex is very massive, and I pruned the branches, and the branches have multiplied the number of branches. You see, every prune had grown 3 branches. See, these are some of our plants with massive codex. If you want to know about this plant, you may go to the description and find the link. You see, this is a plant with a radial root project. I have already uploaded a video on this plant, and if you want to know about this plant, you may go to my channel and search this video. This is also a plant with radial root, and this is an adenium bonsai plant with radial roots, and you see the plant has grown flowers. This is also an adenium bonsai project, and you see 3 seedlings are grafted on the 3 branches, and now the plant has produced flowers, and this is a fantastic adenium bonsai project. These plants are all under training.